Today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste effects and open FX filters in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want to apply the same visual style or effects across multiple clips without having to manually recreate them each time, saving you tons of editing time. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let it fully load. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and clips. In this example, you can see that one of the clips already has effects and open FX filters applied to it. This is the clip we'll be copying from. The beauty of DaVinci Resolve is that it allows you to transfer these effects to other clips seamlessly. Now, to copy the effects, click on the clip that has the effects and open FX filters you want to duplicate. Once it's selected, press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. This copies all the attributes of that clip, including the effects we want. Next, click on another clip in your timeline where you want to paste those same effects and filters. Once you've selected the destination clip, press Alt-V on your keyboard. This is the shortcut for paste attributes, which is different from the standard paste command. A paste attributes window will appear on your screen. This is an important step because it gives you control over exactly what you want to paste. Make sure that both plugins and Fusion effects are checked. These options ensure that all your effects and open FX filters will be transferred to the new clip. If you only want certain attributes, you can uncheck the ones you don't need, but for copying effects, you'll want both of these selected. Once you've verified that plugins and Fusion effects are both checked, click Apply. The system will process the request and transfer all those effects to your new clip. Now you can see that the effects and open FX filters have been successfully pasted onto your second clip. The clip should now have the same visual treatment as your original clip, and you didn't have to manually recreate any of the effects. This method works for any number of clips, so if you have 10 clips that need the same treatment, you can simply repeat this process for each one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.